What is up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna be showing off the new game. My new game that is coming soon. It is not very good yet. Here's the round shot. It's not too good, of course. We're working on it. Well, I'm working on it. And here is the Kurama, the nine-tailed beast. I'm going to be adding more details to this. Sniff, sniff. Yep. Here's the ears. Here's the things, everything. But there. Now the best thing is the mode. The Crimson Flash. And this is a little like Rasengan right here. Like this, you can like say like if you say QB, I mean like if you say QB and you have like the 9,000, you say QB while you're in the mood, you're gonna go to the mindscape, and then you can talk to it, and it's gonna give you power, like 2% more power, but you can't for example like this is not an example, this is actually true. Oh, like you're gonna you can't spam this, you can't always use this. It has a 25-minute cooldown. As you can see, Jinchuriki, the Crimson Flash. But this is called the coming soon nine-tailed beast. It's gonna be called the Crimson Flash. Actually, no, it's gonna be called the Crimson QB. Yeah, that's better. So let's just let me just do something right now, real quick. Okay, so then here's the hidden loot. You can well, I believe these work. There's gonna be I know I'm not too good at scripting and doing stuff, so this is gonna be like a little kid game, and it's gonna be one of the top 100 best game maybe soon when I become very good at this. So there's gonna be a badge. It's gonna be this. Wait, just if it can pop up. Here's the badge. It has the I don't think I think I messed up. This is the wrong one. I clicked the wrong one. It's somewhere. I know it is. I remember this. Oh, remember that this is just in development. So yes, you will not be able to play this, sadly. It will come out on the 29th of, actually no, on the 25th of September. Yes, you guys have 3 days, 3 days until I release this. Also, guys, there's also gonna be like 2 of them, actually. This is like this. This is gonna be like the. This is gonna be like the you can see the 6 paths QB. This is like the yin, and this one is the yang, yin and yang. This one is smaller but stronger. This one is bigger but weaker. Goodbye.